Okay.
Oh.
Yes.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next we have Vitaly Kazakovich.
Rhythm. Relax. Relax, relax. Okay. Relax, relax. Yeah. Perfect. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. How you feel?
Oh, okay. I'm fine.
Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Are you here?
Yes.
Relax. Oh. Are you okay?
Yes. Of course.
Yes. Yes. Change. See? See top? Oh! Oh! Perfect.
Ah,
Are you okay?
I feel like a newborn baby.
Yes.
It's not painful.
Good.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes, I'm alive.
Good.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Oh. Oh. Please stop. Ouch.
Do you feel strong pain?
Yes.
Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out.